If you're interested in seeing what I purchased today at Aldi, then keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, I just ran to Aldi after work today. I was only going to pick up a couple things, but I ended up getting a decent size shopping list. So I thought, you know what, this is the perfect time. I'm going to go ahead and share it with you. So let me turn the camera around and we'll go over everything that I purchased. Alrighty, so I have 2 bottles of the raspberry blackberry seltzer water, or not seltzer water, sparkling water. I have 1 key lime, 2 white grape, and 2 strawberry. I have a container of the whipped cream cheese spread. I have 2 blocks of cream cheese. I have a bag of shredded lettuce, a bag of the Southwest salad mix, and 2 bags of the Caesar chopped salad mix. I also have 2 containers, it's 48 ounces of chicken broth. I have a can of pinto beans. Friends, make sure you subscribe because we have National Soup Month coming up in January, and I'm going to be making lots of soups, and this is one of the soups I'll be making. I have a big thing of ranch dressing. I have diced tomatoes with the green chilies in them. That's also going in a soup. I have a broccoli cheddar panera soup. That is part of a taste test I'm doing with my dad for National Soup Month. So like I said, if you know my dad, you know you want to watch. I have some bite-sized round tortillas, taco shells, and I have 2 of the Casa Mamita salsa that I really like. I have a bag of red onion. We have a box of penne and a box of rotini. I like to have them on hand for the kids. And they like the shells and cheese since they're home from college. They're great sides for them. I bought a bag of white rice. I also picked up chocolate and vanilla instant pudding. I have 2 things of garlic bread here. Some bananas. I have some of these Snyder's hot buffalo wings piece. Those little pretzels that are all broken up. We really like those. And I have some cashews, saltines, and friends, I take this adult gummy apple cider vinegars. It's 500 milligrams. I really like them. They taste really good, and I have to take apple cider vinegar, so they're great, easy to take. They taste really good as well. Peanut butter. I bought 2 boxes of the Max protein bars. I got a peanut butter one and a blueberry for the boys, and I got the caramel rice cakes for my youngest son. He likes those. And I purchased the popcorn chips white cheddar. This is like a knockoff brand of one that my son really loves, so I thought they were really inexpensive, and I thought I'm going to grab a bag and see if he likes them. Why not try it? I have some vanilla wafers for a dessert that I'm going to be making. And then I got some dog food for Benny. He really likes this Aldi dog food. And the funny thing is he's a pretty picky dog, but he likes them. I got the grilled chicken flavor, filet mignon, and the prime rib. And believe it or not, the prime rib is the one he likes the least, but he does eat it. So I only bought 2 of those. And then I have some hand towels. It was a 2-pack holiday one. And then I picked up this microfiber flip mop. And friends, that is all that I purchased. So how much do you think I spent? Alright, so my total for everything here was $119.11. So friends, that is everything. Alright my friends, so that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this Aldi haul. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button as it does greatly help me out. And also, please don't forget to hype that video so it'll get out to more subscribers. And also, consider checking me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.